to check out manticarmy.com, Kings of War Vanguard. Wait, this is the old one. You want to go to the new one. There you go. And you can choose from Kings of War Vanguard, or Armada. We are going for Vanguard, and we're hitting in there. Okay, so I've played around here already and built a list I call Frost. I have saved 2 of them, and I think this is the cap. I can't build more army list before you know, going into a subscription. So if you subscribe for a year for I think $30, you have unlimited access to lists, everything. So I'm going to delete one of these lists, I guess that one, delete, okay. And then we are going to go back and we are going to choose our Warband. I'm going to choose my Warband, which is Northern Alliance, like so. So in here now we have the target of 200 points. If you want to change that, you go into options and save, and let's call it Frostlings. Wow, yeah, something like that. Past freeze. Okay, let's past freeze, and here you can change your point values and everything like that, and whatever. But okay, and then you update it. No, maximum limit of save list are reached. List not saved. Oh, okay. But okay, so I can't actually just have one list. Okay, then let's do that. Okay, so now we are starting from scratch because I haven't subscribed yet. You know, spoiler alert. I think this is this easy army version here is much easier to work with than the other one. Still some little nicks I want to have a little different, but let's just go in and let's build a little list. So I want 3 of them, and I want 3 of the Huskars. This open up so I can have 2 of you know, like 2 large. I can have 2 commandos or 2 spellcasters and 2 support if I want to. So this is open up the list more, but I have already 69 points that I have used. Ooh, by the way, I want to update my clansmen, so I go in here, plus, and then I can say, you know, I want this to have spears because that's awesome. That's why I wanted them in the list in the first place. So here you can see spear melee 2 point plus. Just update the list, and schmack, they have spear in the list here, and points are set and 75 points. Okay, so now I have a good foundation for what I want to build more of. I could go maybe down with I have 3 Huskars, but you know, Huskars are awesome, so I actually want to keep them. I really want to play around with more with the Frost Fang Cavalry build, so I want to have one of those. And if I could squeeze in that Tang, and let's see, we have almost 50 points more to play around with. So if you wanted to now, we can go in with a prime. No, it's too expensive, but Ice Blade, we could build put in an Ice Blade, and or Ice Queen would also be cool. Let's try to go. I'm actually not sure what I wanted to have. Maybe I want to have just 1 snow troll extra. Okay. Ooh, you know what we're going to try to go? We're going to have 2 of those. So if I want to have 2, we go there and update. Let's see if that cannot have more than 1 large unit in 150 points. But that's not actually true, because we are the Northern Alliance. So why is this coming up? I don't know. But we can put in 1 clansman extra just to see, and then if I then go in and say that I want to have a Frostfang cavalry, will it add it then, if the points allow it? I'm not actually sure what's happening here. It should be good. So because I have a lot of I have enough grunts, and or do I? Maybe I have to have one extra human clansman. Let's try it out. Let's just try out stuff and see if we can get it the shoe to fit. 65, so we have 35 points to spare, and the Frostfang is 35, so it should go in if we have the opportunity to buy him. Let's see if no, there's a big cap on that. Can I say snow troll? Let's see. No. Okay. Can I go? If I go too Tang, oh, they are too expensive. I wanted to see if I have. So if I go, I take away the cavalry, like so, and then I say I want to have 2 of them. Would that be okay? No. Okay, I have questions. This should work, as I understand the rules, but maybe I'm not, because it says on my cards here that I can have 2 large, and in a 200 points army. So what's stopping me from doing that? The Talamar pack rule. Talanar pack rule. It says so. Northern Alliance warbands may take 1 additional large model than the game size would normally allow. So they should be good to go. I should have the opportunity to build 2 Frostfang cavalry in this list I have here, because there are over 6 warriors or grunts in the list here. It's actually 8, so it should be good to go. Or snow trolls, or anything big. So that's kind of. I think this is, we found a little error in this easy army setup here. I might be wrong. Don't kill the messenger. But we are going to put in 1 Frostfang cavalry then, like so. And then what more should we put in? We put in, I think the points allow it to be, do I have the opportunity to put 1 of those in? Oh, we have over the limit there with points. But that's okay, we can get the clansman off, and then we can have Ice Blade in. That would be awesome, like so, because we have over 5 grunts or warriors. We can have double of everything. Also we can have double large, but for some reason it doesn't allow me right now, because I don't know. But so now we have 9 points to spare that we can put in equipment. So I actually want the Ice Blade to ride on commandment update. There we go. Then we have 4 points more to play with. I would probably... what more do we want to have? We have 4 more points to play with. We have the spares there. Maybe the tank can put in something fun. Let's put in we can't play the heavy weapon. Let's see if this one allows it. It shouldn't allow me to have heavy weapon because we have crushing strength. Let's see. Okay, it shouldn't allow it because we have crushing strength on us, so it shouldn't give us more crushing strength. But yeah, lucky charm. Maybe, yeah, you can hold it, but you can't wield it, I guess. I don't know. But we can have a lucky charm, that is good. And then we have 3 more points. Yeah, so there you go. There you can see a little bit how we can build the stuff. So, with what more to say than that this is cool. Now we go in options, and we save this as fast freeze, update. And now it's saved, and we can go in here and we can edit it again as we want to. My first impression after playing around with it today is that this is a step up, but there are some things you need to flush out, and you know, I guess if I put in a subscription, I would actually get you know, people to work on this to make it more flushed out, so the list building is what I wanted to see here in the corner is maybe an amount, count amount that give you like a skill tree almost. So if you are putting more than 5 of grunts and warriors, it will show you that you can put in 2 support, 2 spellcasters, and 2 commanders. And for Northern Alliance specific, I would also like it to be that you can have 2 large units in your 200 points, because you can, because of Tornard's pack. So yeah, what more to say? Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to this easy army thing, and let's make it better. And just before we go, we can go in here, see no, we can go and see where is printing? Where is printing? So if you go to specials, no, view, we go to view, and then you go to output, and you can go into for an instant print, and then you will have the printer information, and there you can see what you get there. And yeah, you actually get the commercial in the print. That's special. But yeah, here you can see all the special little information and stuff like that. So, alright, thank you all for watching. Bye.